Stop number 1, I found a cafe, gonna get coffee. We're in Torquay, which is the surf capital of Australia apparently. But I can't see a single surfer or a single wave. Let's go and have a little drink. And have a clink. Clink. Clink.
Oh.
Sophie fell over, which is alright. Just a little bit of blood. Dogs. Alright, next stop, Split Point Lookout. Let's go. 34 minutes. That is a lighthouse at Split Point Lookout. Pretty nice. Very busy spot. It's the off season, but it's super busy. Lots of tours coming here. Very pretty, very nice view. I'll show you. Kind of toss out. It's a chocolate twist with almonds. Got some cream. So it's got these. Bird number 2. Hey man. The famous sign. Just been there. It's raining. Raining. It's pretty cool though.
Pretty stunning.
Yeah. Gonna make some wraps. Some wraps, right, because we're hungry. And then carry on. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring.
Yeah, you were snoring last night.
On the lookout for koalas and also snakes. The most venomous snake in the world lives here. The views are beautiful on this drive, so we keep pulling over. Got about an hour until our camp spot, but it's just a roadside thing. So, should get there at 5:52, which is after sunset. Good morning, it's day 2 of Great Ocean Road. Really gloomy today. It's going to rain, it's going to wind. Might not be able to fly the drone, but we're going to go to the 12 Apostles, which I'm super excited about, and a few other nice lookouts. We're just at Gibson Steps. We came down the steps. 12 Apostles is like just behind this rock. We got here just in time because they opened the steps just as we got here. It's pretty gloomy today, but we're going to make the most of it. We're at the grotto now. Had to leave my camera because it was pouring down when we walked it to the spot. London Bridge in the back. If the ocean was still right now, it wouldn't be as nice. Look at the road way over there. Currently walking up some massive hill to get to Teddy's Lookout because the hill was so steep. Nessie was just wheel spinning.